I'm a native bee researcher. I work on bees in both Australia and Fiji. I'm kind of a bit of an ecologist, an evolutionary biologist, a taxonomist. I do all things bee related, I suppose. So the really cool thing about Fiji is that from a single colonization event, so a single bee came to Fiji and it's quickly diversified into 30 species or so that we know of. And we really wanted to know why. And what's driven that, and then what impact, climate in the past and the future might have, as well as humans on the bees in Fiji. I work almost entirely with native bees, and I think most people don't really realise that we have, even in Australia alone, somewhere between 2,000 and 3,000 different native bee species. If you spend enough time looking at bees, you'll be able to tell that's what they are, but they kind of almost look like wasps. But they're beautiful, all different shapes, sizes, colours. Yeah, they're really cool animals. I was probably more initially interested in ecology at large, but I was also a very keen photographer from when I was finishing high school, and I ended up buying a second-hand macro lens when I was doing my undergraduate in Brisbane, and I started taking photos of the wasps and then eventually the bees in my backyard, and I just found dozens of species in such a small place in suburban Brisbane. And I think I was hooked from that point on, kind of exploring that diversity of species as well as shapes and colours and just the incredible things that they do. The plan is still to do academia into the future. I really like the idea of making my own questions and chasing those down and addressing those, as well as maybe teaching the next generation of researchers. Yeah, it's super exciting.